The night falls, and the city comes to life in a different way. Welcome to the Old Town, where history and modern life blend seamlessly under the glow of streetlights. Every corner tells a story. Every building holds a memory. Walking through these streets at night feels like stepping into a time machine. Classic architecture, vintage cafes, and the distant melody of street musicians fill the air. At this road intersection there are many mechanic workshops who work until midnight, to meet the needs of motorbikes whose tires are flat or punctured. At this road intersection there are many mechanic workshops who work until midnight, to meet the needs of motorbikes whose tires are flat or punctured. On this road, there are many red lights indicating we have to stop. We head to the street on the beach in this old city. This is the road by the beach, which I think is quite long. As we explore, the cool night breeze adds to the charm. The sound of footsteps on the cobblestone streets, the warm glow of lanterns, and the laughter of people enjoying the night make this place feel alive. Whether you're here for the culture, the history, or simply to take in the breathtaking views, the Old Town at night never disappoints. On this road there are many snack and drink sellers that you can find on the side of the road. On the left side of the road there is the largest hotel in this city. It's called the Malio Hotel. On this street you can find a night food shopping center. There are lots here ranging from fried bananas, grilled meatballs, fruit juice, grilled satay. There are even fried foods that you haven't seen in any country, called bakwan. In this city, there is only one mall. This mall has quite a lot of visitors. The name of the mall is Matos. Now we continue to explore the streets of this city, and I think there will still be many red lights that we will encounter. This is the end of this city. This city is the city of Mamuju, which is in Indonesia. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment. See you at the next time.